Hello. Okay. So, last time I showed you these steps, and these should be dry by now. Hopefully when I look back at the video, I don't think I had it centered very well. So here's a better look at it. So these are the longer step parts. There. Turned out pretty good. Seems pretty sturdy. It was a little, felt a little flimsy putting it together, but now it seems pretty sturdy. And this little guy. So I cut out this piece and this piece, and I glued this, which has a brown frame around it, to show you how it goes on, to the back. And then after I glued it in, I put a little bit of glue on the back of this and just kind of like slipped it in there between the frame, so it kind of looks like it's a card sticking out. And then I put some glue on the top and dried it sitting up so that it would sit correctly. And that looks pretty good. All right. So that was the bulletin board. Next step was this label, which is the sign for the front. So I was a little confused by the wording here. Brown paper. It's actually a piece of black paper, and it was in this spot, and it was just an outline. Looks like, I don't know if you can tell from this. Let's see if I can get that in focus real good. It has the letters outlined on it. And then you go back to this, which is where we got the seat for the piano cushion, and you pop out these letters, and they're thin. And then you glue them on, and I have to fix the dot on the eye. So this white piece, this black piece, the paper behind here that shows you where the letters go, and then these letters. And I've glued them on, except I have to fix this eye dot here. And then the next step, the reason I popped this eye dot off, come on, focus, is because the next thing you're supposed to do is peel up the top layer of this. Yeah, like that. Yeah, it's interesting. Like the other side, I believe. Yeah. Oh, I guess you couldn't have done that anyway. I was going to say, couldn't you just put it upside down, but then it would be backwards. Duh. So that's the next step. And I don't know if I need to go down another layer because it's a little, maybe you can see it on the M and the S, but it's a little flecked with brown. Like it's not completely down past. So then after I get done with that, then we're going back to this gold pen, and we're going to color in the word part. So I will do that off camera. Wood box. Let's move on and at least gather the materials for this part. Wood box. Okay, these pieces are in bag 3. And 2 of those. A bigger one. And then some little sticks. Yeah, they're there. Let me pull all that out of here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And oh, this is probably a cutout paper thing. N31, and it looks like a tiny oval. Here it is. It's on the same sheet that had the Simon's Coffee and the street sign. It looks like it's this one. So oh boy. Hi, Liara. My kitty came in. Don't bump me right now. So, not many people are watching these, which is not that big of a deal. But I was thinking, what if I were to stream this on Twitch? Would anybody be interested? Let me know in the comments. Like, I could just stream from my phone. It would have to be in the evenings or on the weekends. Probably, I don't know. Yeah, just let me know what you think. Otherwise, I'm going to continue this method because I can do it whenever. Okay, so I got that. So the way this is going to go together, these are the sides, and this is, it looks like this, it's going to get glued this way where the thin part is between the two bigger parts is what it looks like. And then 2 of these on all the edges, and then the label goes on, and that's it. So, ooh, I saw somebody doing this one on a video, and this one looks interesting, so we're almost to some weirdo stuff. Okay, so I will have this done and this done when I come back. Thanks for watching.